How to fix WhatsApp? Sorry, this media file does not exist. Hello, everybody. If you are having this kind of message on your screen when you're trying to access any of the media from WhatsApp, you may follow up the step in order to fix it. First thing you can do is you can refresh your media in WhatsApp. So go over to WhatsApp and then head over to the chat where the media was shared. For example, this one right here. So you can head over the chat where the media was shared. I can tap on the download icon again if it is visible. You can just go ahead and tap on it. And once you do that, it can probably fix that issue and that should help you. Apart from that, if the file is gone, you can try restoring it from a Google Drive or iCloud backup. So what you can do is you can go ahead and install your WhatsApp application. For that, look for the install option and again reinstall the WhatsApp. After that, you need to open up your WhatsApp again and you need to verify your number and tap on restore when prompted. This only works if the backup was created before the media was deleted. And after that is done, you can go to the settings and also clear the cache of WhatsApp. So long press on WhatsApp, go to the info section at the top, and from here, go to storage and then go ahead and clear the cache. And it clears any corrupted cache data causing the media error. And the next thing is deleting files from a gallery app removes them from WhatsApp too. So if the file was stored locally on your WhatsApp, on your own device, if you delete it from your WhatsApp chat, it will be directly deleted from your WhatsApp chat as well. So that is it. For now, you may follow this method in order to fix that error. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.